Hello guys, I'm going to teach us Introduction to SPSS. We're going to start a series on the Introduction to SPSS, but we're going to start with the installation of the SPSS. Many people don't know how to install SPSS. Actually, SPSS is not free. You need to pay for you to get it, but I have a link on how to download a cracked version of SPSS which you can use for this training. So I'm going to take us today on how to download and install SPSS. Okay, the first thing to do is go to open your browser and download it. If you don't have SPSS or you don't know how to download it, you can comment on my comment section. I will send you the link on how to download SPSS. So I've downloaded. Let me go to my download file. This is my download file. So I've already downloaded it. You go to extract it. Let me extract it to my desktop so that will be easy for us to see. Extract to desktop so that we can see it and install it. Okay, nice work. It has been extracted. Let me close my download. Okay, I have it here. So what do you need to do? Double click on it. Yes, SPSS Statistics 25 University 4 is ready for installation. So you can double click on it. There is a cracked folder, and this is the executable file. So let's double click on it. Okay. It's going to take us through this process of installation. A lot of people don't know how to install it or how to get it. So if you are finding it difficult to download, just let me know at the comment section. I'll give you the link where you can download version 25. I'm going to use version 25 for this training, for the series of the training, and you can use any one you have. If you have version 23, 24, 25 up to 29, it's allowed. So you click on next, you accept it and click on next. Install this essential for Python. Yes, it comes with a Python extension. So if you actually need to do Python, maybe for analysis too later in future, you can. So this version of essential for Python include Python version 2.7 and 3.4, IBM statistics integration plug-in for Python. So I think it's necessary we install so that we can integrate with Python in future when we start the Python series. Okay, you accept for the Python 2 and you click on this. You also accept for the general of them, general, and then click on installation, install. So we're installing it now. Like I said, this is version 25. If you have 26, 27, 28, 29, 24, 23, it's also good for this training. But if you don't have any, make sure you download this. I'll give you the link once you ask me from the comment section. I'll give you the link and you can install it so that you go on the series, you can flow with us. One good thing about IBM is that it comes with a lot of sample files that we'll be using in the training. After the installation, I will show us how to Python installation. It takes all the time. It's installing all the necessary Python extension that we need. So after the installation of the IBM, you can actually run Python straight. Okay, good. It's totally installed. So we'll uncheck this. Start SPSS. No, we'll uncheck this, and you make sure you uncheck it, and you finish. So it has been successfully installed on your system. If you check here, if you are not here, you go to your program file. It will be, look at it. But you want to see it, you go under IBM. Under IBM, because it is here because we just recently added it. With time it will leave that place. So you go under IBM, you see it. Okay, and you will see all the options for Pythons under it. Okay, so let's crack it. We open the crack, copy this, let's copy it, go to my PC, go to installation folder, that directory, program file, IBM, SPSS, statistics 25, right click, copy and paste. You have already copied it, paste here. Tell it to replace, continue. Good, that's all you need to do. So you have it on your system now. So let's go back to IBM Statistics. Let's open it. So we are launching it for the first time after the installation. So it's coming up now. Let's give it a little try. Okay, it's up, coming up now. Okay, so this particular version will allow you to use it for at least 11 years. Right? You have 4,164 days left in your trial. So this version will give you 4,164 days as trial version. Okay, and now what am I going to? You have opened it. It's either you open a new data set or you open a recent file. It assumes that you have file you are working with, but because you are working for the first time, you might not have a recent file. But where am I going to? I'm going to sample file. You have a lot of sample file that come with it, a lot, which you can use for practice. A lot of them. You go through them. You have accident file, advert file, accident file. We have demo file, behaviors file. A lot of sample file come with the IBM versions, which you can practice with. We also have a demo file. People are asking, we have a demo file. I prefer demo file because we have it in Excel. So when we get to how to open different documents from Excel, from database, from text file, they are all here. This is demo file from SPSS. This is demo file from text file. This is demo file from Excel, and so on and so forth. So we have them here. So as soon as we are opening this demo file, you just click on demo file and click on open. It will take you to the environment of the SPSS. Please, if you like this video, if this video is beneficial to you, please subscribe to my channel so that you can get more video as we coming. We'll be rolling out different series for SPSS, how introduction to SPSS, and how to do cross tabulation, the analysis, and so on and so forth. Subscribe on my channel, and you get more videos to learn.